Here I've got Alcatel 5V and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let me open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Now we have to tap on Languages and Input, so it's the first tab, and then go to Languages over here. To change the language, you have to tap on Add a Language on the plus icon, and now you can select the one that you want to have on your device, on your Alcatel. As you can see, you have plenty of possibilities here, so let me pick, for example, Croatian. Now you have to tap on it and swipe it up to be on the first place. And from now on, let me go back. As you can see, everything is in Croatian. So all the apps, all the settings, everything is Croatian. If you would like to go back to the first language, to the default one, or if you would like to change it one more time to some other, go to the system one more time. So it was the very last icon in settings, then pick the first icon over here. One more time this one, the first one, and you can simply swipe up English or some other language to the first place. Then if you would like to delete Croatian permanently, tap on more icon over here, click on remove. Now select the one that you would like to delete, in my case it's Croatian, and tap on bin icon. Confirm that you would like to delete it, and that's it. As you can see now, you're just in the first default language, but you can obviously change it to whichever language you prefer. So that's it. This is how you can easily change language in your Alcatel 5V. You can perform it whenever you need to, whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.